What's up, bitch? Ready to race?
Not today, not tomorrow, not ever.
I can't believe you. You know there's a race tomorrow night, right? You gotta be there to represent Japan.
Look, dude, my mom doesn't want me to get back in the racing scene. I don't know what to tell you.
Whatever, kid. Here's the invitation. Be there or be squared.
Hey Jack, are you going to the race tonight?
Nope.
What? Why? You can win $5,000 from this.
I don't want to get back in the racing scene, especially not after the crash.
Your only competition is Dom Florence. That's an easy win. You could smoke him.
Look, Robin, I have work and I really need the money.
No. If you win this race, you won't have to work 500 hours.
Come on, Jack.
Yeah, just do it.
I'll think about it.
Are we gonna show?
Yeah, he will, especially with this prize pool.
We're around town. He's a frosted flake.
Hey, I'm here to collect my prize money.
Let's get this thing going. Hold your 164 horses, Jack Ryder.
Dirty Dan, this isn't good.
Who cares? Still gonna smoke you guys. That money in your car or mine, Jack. This isn't over until I say it's over, Jack Ryder.
Me now. Quit me now. Me, oh, me, oh, me, oh, me, oh.